Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for rent a lovely 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom house with a 180 view of the city and the mountains in the well sought after Wycliffe Close, Kingston 6 area. It comprises of a ground floor with helpers quarters and a storage room. First floor consists of a spacious living room which leads out to a balcony for extended entertainment, renovated kitchen cabinets and bathrooms. This home is situated on approximately half an acre or 21,893 square feet of well-fruited landscaped land. This property has 2 water tanks, double carport, is gated, marble and terrazzo tiling, garden area, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, fully fenced, fully walled, view of the mountain, easy access, family oriented, private setting, view of Kingston City and paved road. The current price of this home is Jamaican 230,000 or US 1,459 per month. Now, let's take a quick look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.